Unang ilam kaliang persya ka yeng dabar thawan ke jela Dr Mukul sangma ul dawa ba kadai bandan da kunhun toket lailut ban toket ban pentikna ban amdan ka chingi slas new jung kipulet haka bai dai ba chingcha siaset yap uba Chesterfield thank you kadik ching dawa Dr Mukul sangma kadai hadien bula yu I kai phot chung toket balawan ra aksni stang ka dabar sunrai daw menteri rangba ka jela konrad ki sangma ula dawa ru buk sarkar kadai ban IT chung toket balai luoj haka National Investigation Agency lani sha ka Central Bureau of Investigation.
From the report, we can look at how whatever sentiments were expressed by the people of the state based on the circumstances leading to that unfortunate incident are based on what has happened, and that has been reflected in this report of the Commission of Inquiry. It is incumbent upon, therefore, on the government that all the necessary action as per law is taken by the government to ensure justice, because any instance where a justice is perceived to have been denied is something which creates a situation generating lack of confidence and trust on the authorities, which doesn't augur well for our democracy. Therefore, government must ensure that there is no space, no room from any corner to feel that justice has not been done. Justice must always prevail. See, I'm telling you, I take pride in the efficiency and competence of our Meghalaya police. Let me repeat, I take pride in the efficiency and competence of our Meghalaya police. I have no doubt about their efficiency and competence. Therefore, I also take pride in the intelligence gathering system that is there in the police organization. I know it, therefore I'm telling you. Yeah, if we have been able to have pinpoint accurate information in the past, we have demonstrated it. No? The police have demonstrated it. It is not something which is based on my assumption or presumption. No. We know it. Meghalaya police is one of the most competent organizations in this country, amongst all the police organizations across this nation. I have taken pride on this. I have shared this in our internal security meeting convened by MHA on a number of occasions. And you have all the facts available when you connect the dots of incidents that has taken place in the past. You will have this inference as what I'm referring to. And therefore, now if there was an input available that the deceased was in his own residence and the deceased was staying with his wife and 2 children, do you expect that the Meghalaya intelligence is so incompetent to know whether any member belonging to the organization, any cadre of the organization was there or not? I don't accept it. I am telling you, I don't accept it because of the high level of efficiency and competence of our intelligence gathering. That means were not they using the right people? Or were they ignoring this input? And were they trying to shield themselves by referring to, oh, there was a possibility of this. If you go by the circumstances leading to this unfortunate incident, which is captured and reflected in this report, you have all the conclusions for yourself. So therefore I'm saying, and I'm asking the people of the state to put this question before the government, was there criminal conspiracy resulting in this unfortunate demise of this deceased? And therefore, we need the answer. How will we get the answer? There has to be an independent inquiry based on this. Now, if you read between the lines of what I have said, I think you have all the answers. That's why I'm saying there has to be an investigation to find out exactly what has happened. Why has it happened that way? Because I know that our police, the men of the organization, we always refer to them as men of the organizations, are not considered as incompetent as they appear from what has happened, they have been trained, they have been conditioned, they have gone through similar kind of exercise in the past. This is not something which is fresh and new to the police organization of the state. No, the question here is whether they wanted to arrest him or they wanted to kill him.
Yeah,
The demand for inquiry is for that, whether they wanted to arrest him or they wanted to kill him. If they would have been able to arrest him, they would have got further more information. They would have been able to enrich themselves with further more inputs, which are crucial for the internal security of the state and the nation. That's why there has to be an independent inquiry. Then only we'll have all the answers. Without that, I am not in a position, you are not in a position to have the answers. Yeah.
Independent means what? NIA or CBI? Or?
There are multiple agencies, obviously NIA and CBI. The government, if start acting as an accused, they will not go for. But if they understand their responsibility and they live up to their, the commitment to fulfill their responsibilities as people in authority,